Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to fix access issues with your Notion workspace. Notion is a powerful tool, but sometimes login or permission problems can prevent you from accessing your workspace. Follow these steps to regain access quickly and safely. Step 1. Check your login credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email address associated with your Notion account. Double-check for typos and make sure caps lock is off. Step 2. Reset your password if needed. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password on the Notion login page and follow the instructions sent to your registered email address. Step 3. Verify your email. Notion sometimes requires email verification to access a workspace. Check your inbox and spam folder for any verification emails and follow the instructions. Step 4. Check workspace permissions. If you are trying to access a workspace owned by someone else, make sure you have been granted the necessary permissions. Contact the workspace admin if needed. Step 5. Clear your browser cache or update the Notion app. Sometimes old data or outdated versions can cause access issues. Clearing cache or updating the app often resolves these problems. Step 6. Try logging in from a different browser or device to help rule out device-specific or browser-specific issues. Step 7. Contact Notion support if you're still having trouble. Provide details about your account and the issue so the support team can assist you in regaining access safely. Following these steps should help you fix most access issues and get back to working on your Notion workspace without interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.